welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Welcome to my YouTube family. My name is Stephanie. Today, you guys, I got a couple items from Amazon I wanted to show you guys. I've already taken them out of their packages, sort of, but wanted to share them with you guys. So a little bit of everything. Hopefully you guys will stick around and enjoy this. First thing is, last year I ordered one of these. This is a shirt. It's actually a men's shirt because it's cheaper than buying the women's version, but it's a sun shirt. And so I love these. I wear these all summer to keep the sun off my skin. They are long sleeve. They are breathable. They're almost like athletic wear. And these have a hoodie on them. This is the color I ordered. And if you look really closely, they are an SPF of at least 50. So they absolutely help the sun, prevent sunburns and things. And I wear these all the time. They're UVA, UVB protection. As you can see, it does have a hood, which I appreciate. So I tend to order these 1 to 2 sizes larger. This will probably be a little huge on me. You can see like it's gonna be really long on me. I like that a lot, especially like when I'm out and about. I want as much sun coverage as possible, and I don't like things, especially in the summertime, being really like super tight to my skin when it's really hot out. So they had a really nice deal on this. I will link the product down below. Highly recommend it. And they had a coupon, like a 5% off, which isn't a huge amount. This was like 20 something-ish dollars. I feel like it was in the $22 range. And I'll tell you guys, the women's for these run like $30 to $40, which is ridiculous. So I always get the men's, and they're always like 10 or more dollars cheaper. So not all of them have the hood. If you don't want a hood, you can definitely get them without. Obviously, because it's a sun, they're going to be long sleeve because it's sun protection, but it is like athletic wear. So it's like a polyester. Let's look and see what it says. 100% polyester. That's basically athletic wear. Super breathable. Cotton is like the worst thing to wear because that will retain heat and retain moisture. So as a runner, I am aware that we like do not use anything cotton. But so anyway, this is the first thing. I got another one of these. I wear these all summer long. So the next thing I got was, and you guys have seen me unbox this. This is my second one of these. I got this LenTock. It is a camera mount. This is for something easily very heavy, such as a DSLR. Now, I do film using my cell phone, which is rather heavy because it is a large one. But I have one of these. I have it mounted on this corner of my desk for filming, like when I do my nails. However, what I'm filming right now on is actually a selfie stick that I have set up as a tripod. And it's on my second one. It's not exactly easy to use. It has a tendency to be really tippy. I have to be very careful I don't knock it all over. And I have used the other one long enough. I wanted to get one of these for this end of the of my desk for my normal filming like I'm doing right now, and to get rid of the whole selfie stick thing. So I was really happy with this company, really happy with this particular model. Like I said, it is basically a desk camera mount. And honestly, it's for overhead, but it's going to work really well. I'm going to have it set up in the corner there. And I got this actually like 2 weeks ago. The camera mount to hold my cell phone is from, the company is called Neewer. And this company is really well known for photography accessories such as lighting, mounts, camera mounts, desk mounts, tripods, monopods. So I did order one from them because it is extremely reputable company. I actually have the ring light that is above and behind y'all is a really nice one from Neewer, and I'm thrilled with it. So I got those. Those will go together. And so hopefully I can get that set up so that the next couple videos I will be using this from there forward. The last thing I got, I'm really excited. You guys know that I have been really, really enjoying fragrances. I just got the Crush from Rihanna from Amazon, and while I was kind of digging around, I found that one of my favorites was really attractively priced, and that is Gucci's Guilty. This was like, I don't know what the deal was, but they kept dropping the price on it. It's not cheap. It was under $100, but it was over $90. And obviously the price was fluctuating a little bit, but this is the parfum, the Eau de Parfum. It's 90 milliliters or 3 ounces. I love this perfume, you guys. Absolutely love it. Rihanna's Crush was very similar, not identical by any stretch, but very similar. So this is what it looks like. Very, very pretty. So it is Gucci's Pour Femme. It is for her. So just a really little top on it. It's got a little spritzer. I am wearing Rietta's Crush today, so I don't want to spray this, but I am looking forward to that. So yeah, I am indulging a little bit myself on my perfume loves. And I should show you guys the top. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but the very top here does say Gucci on it, which is really nice. So very nice bottle. So that was my Amazon order, you guys. Very, very quick. You know, I'm curious to see what you guys think. I am obviously thinking more about summer with the the little sun protection. I apologize, you guys. I'm a hot mess. My face is a hot mess. I did do a chemical peel recently. I am scabby and peeling all over, but it's really bad in places on my face. So I apologize for my appearance. I will probably be peeling for at least the next 5 to 7 days. So hopefully this will look better in about a week. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I really hope you enjoy this. I do have a whole bunch of stuff coming in the mail this week, so I hope to be continuing to show you guys some things as they arrive. I did have one thing that came to my P.O. box today. I chose not to go get it because honestly, y'all, if you have been watching my community post, it's snowing and it's gross out. I just didn't feel like the extra drive. So hopefully tomorrow, I have a couple things coming tomorrow, so I will go and I'll pick up a few items tomorrow. And hopefully it won't be snowing. And for those of you in the Northeast, I'm so sorry. It looks like you guys are getting some bad weather. So think positively, y'all. Spring is here. It'll go away soon enough, right? So I hope y'all had a great Easter, and I hope you have a wonderful week. I'll see you on my next video. All right, everybody. It is time to pick the winner for my 2,300 subscriber giveaway. Now, unfortunately, I did not hit my milestone goal of 2,300 subscribers, but I am getting closer. I'm within 20 to 30, so hopefully within the next 2 months, I will hit that milestone and we can move on to another big giveaway. So I did grab the URL. Here's the video, and we're going to use the random comment picker. I'm going to go ahead and paste in that URL, and y'all had to use the word giraffe in the comments. So let's see how many people entered. 120. All right, you guys, good luck. Remember, you need to be publicly subscribed, have an address here in the US, be over the age of 18. I should say have a mailing address in the US, be over the age of 18, and of course, you know, use the correct word. So good luck, everyone. Young at Heart, aka Miss Carla. Congratulations, Carla. Her comment was, congratulations. I believe the giraffe is such a beautiful animal. All right, you guys, I am going to go ahead and check out her channel. Make sure she's publicly subscribed to me. So hold on a second. All right, everyone, here I am on her channel. As you can see, I am right here. So congratulations to Miss Carla. Now, you guys, please go ahead and give her a congratulations down below. And if you are not already subscribed to Miss Carla, please give her a chance to earn your subscription. She is a creator as well. So her channel, again, is Young at Heart, aka Carla. So congratulations, Miss Carla. I'm so excited for you. You have 48 hours to contact me. Please email me at opinionatedhorsewoman@gmail.com. I will need, obviously, your mailing address. I will, of course, then have your email address. But if you'd like to give me a cell phone, I can put that in the shipping tracking information so you can get text updates. That is entirely up to you, though. So congratulations. Thank you, everybody. I really appreciate all your support. I am so excited to, at some point, hit this milestone and celebrate by moving on to the next one. So thank you, everybody, again. You all are so amazing. I really, really do appreciate all your support. So congratulations, Carla. All right, everybody. Thank you. Bye, all.